Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a particular Redbubble tool which has been really helpful in getting more sales on Redbubble. This video is inspired by someone. The link of his channel is there in the description, so you can definitely go and check it out. And now let's discuss about this tool. I have been using this tool for 2 to 3 days, and whatever my experience about this tool is what I'm going to share with you in this video. So now let's get started.
A few moments later.
Guys, we are into our computer screen, and this is the particular tool which is known as Trending Bubble. Okay, now the website is given in the description, so you can just go and visit this tool, but do visit it after watching this video. Now this tool has really some awesome features because it provides you a lot of information. Just like Bubble Trends, it gives you all this data like the keywords, the results, as well as many other information which is available over here, and you can see the number in which these particular keywords are trending, as well as one of the best feature about this tool is this copyright. Okay, so it also shows you that whether the keyword which is trending is copyrighted or not. But still, I would like to add on that if you are using this tool and if you are going to find keywords out of this tool, then you should ensure that the keywords are not copyrighted. You should also check those on the other websites so that you can just be ensured that you don't get any copyrighted content on your Redbubble store, because this will drastically decrease your sales on Redbubble, as well as it will also decrease your reputation as a seller on Redbubble, which is not a good thing to do. So that is something which you should keep in mind. As well as I have a very important message to share with you, which is that if you are going to use this tool, you should ensure that you never tag spam or just abuse the keywords which are given by this tool. Okay, you should never do tag spamming using the trending keywords which are given over here in this tool. If you are going to upload a design related to a particular keyword, then you just put that keyword once or twice, not more than that, and don't tag spam, because this is something which is very important, and we don't want to spoil the Redbubble community, which is really awesome. And there are a lot of creative designers on Redbubble who are providing very great designs to all the people, and this is a very good chance for us to not to tag spam and work on our designs so that we can get more sales out of Redbubble. So with this positive message, I hope that you won't tag spam any next time on Redbubble.
One eternity later.
Guys, this is the awesome tool which I have been using for the past 3 days, and it has given a lot of good results to me, as well as it really shows some accurate information, and that is something which is the best. And it has a lot of features which are really awesome, and not other tools are providing these features. So you can definitely use this tool. The link is that is in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.